In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a mailing list Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a clean, professional email sign-up form on your site using Squarespace's built-in tools. This is perfect for growing your audience, sharing updates, and nurturing customer relationships. Start by heading to the Squarespace website. If you're prompted, sign in so you can access your sites. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile. From there, choose Account Dashboard. This takes you to a central hub that lists all the websites connected to your account, which makes it easy to jump into the right project. On the dashboard, select the site where you want to add your mailing list form. If you manage multiple sites, take a second to confirm you're opening the correct one. Next, click Edit Site to enter the visual editor. You'll then click Edit again to start adjusting the page content directly. You should now see the editable areas and the familiar Squarespace controls along your page. Hover over your site and decide exactly where you want the mailing list form to live. Placement matters. Consider adding it near the top of your homepage for maximum visibility, in a dedicated section mid-page for context, or just above the footer so it's available on every scroll. The goal is to make subscribing easy and natural for visitors without disrupting the flow of your content. When you found the right spot, click Add Section. A new section will be created where you can build your sign-up area. Choose Add Blank to start with a clean slate. This gives you full control over layout, spacing, and styling, which helps keep your sign-up area simple and focused. Inside that blank section, click Add Block. A block library will appear with a variety of content types. In the pop-up, click Form. This inserts a versatile form block you can use for collecting email addresses. You'll see a basic form appear, typically with a title and default fields. Finally, drag the form to position it exactly where you want it in the section. Keep the layout minimal so the call to action stands out. Short forms convert best, so focusing on just an email field or name and email is usually a smart move. Add a concise headline that tells visitors what they'll get by subscribing, and keep the tone friendly and trustworthy. That's it. Your mailing list form is now placed on your Squarespace site, ready for you to fine-tune the wording and design so it matches your brand.